Hello viewer, this is Mr. Muhammad Yasin Shakir Advocate and you are watching my YouTube channel Nahi Soch Nahi Manzil. I cordially welcome you people to this new video, and this will change you people, I assure you, from ordinary student to extraordinary students. My dear students, there are many people who daily complain that their grades and their actually academic performance is not good at the educational institutes. This is a problem that actually embarrasses every individual. Today I have a very good solution for you people to make you people from ordinary students to extraordinary students. Just stay connected and watch this video till the end. These are very ordinary tips, but these ordinary tips can make you an extraordinary student. Just have it. First of all, what you have to do, a very ordinary thing, you have to pay attention to your lesson at your home. Just study the lesson that you are supposed to study tomorrow at your college, your school or institute or university. Just read that lesson at your home, just for 10 to 15 minutes, not more than this. Just read and you'll find some concepts that are not easy to understand. Just underline them, circle them, tag them, and do write the problem that you are facing. Take that book, those notes or whatever the material you have to your college, and the teacher while teaching in the class, sit with attention. Pay attention to your lecture, listen the teacher carefully, and if the teacher is explaining all those concepts that you feel problematic, then that is good. But if the teacher is not going the way that you are feeling or facing problems, ask with reverence that question. He or she will explain to you the problem that you are facing too. First, you have read at home, you got some idea. You went to the class, you understood from your teacher. Now go to your home, and this is the third and the final activity. Just read that lesson, your misunderstandings and the understandings that you got in the class, match them, and just overview that lesson just 5 to 10 minutes. This will make you understand the things in a well and better way. And after performing this practice time and again, you can become from ordinary to an extraordinary. I just give you 2 weeks to make this practice. After 2 weeks, you'll find yourself a better student. Your performance actually increasing. When you adopt these 3 ordinary tips, you an extraordinary student. I hope you'll actually act upon all these tips and do actually give me your feedback after 2 weeks that you have actually become an extraordinary student from an ordinary student. Thank you for watching this video. Just stay connected with me for further more videos, and like it, share it, subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon so that you may receive further more videos. Thank you for your precious time.